So I've challenged myself to use just the free printables from Carpe Diem for June, a little bit of washi, and the sticker tablets from Carpe Diem as well to make some spreads, and I think it turned out really good. Make sure you tune in to the very end because I show you my semi-successful way that I've put these chevron stickers at the top of this page. Yeah, it's yeah, semi-successful. Hi there, it's Kara from The Hooting Pirate, and today I'm going to show you how I did these two spreads, or I guess that's not a spread, it's just a page because this is the cover. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I did this page and this spread using just the free printables from Simple Stories for June and some washi and these sticker tablets. So let's get to it. So first, before I get into the actual designing, I just want to show you the free printables because they're really fun. I actually accidentally printed them off double-sided, so I have these extra to show you. So this is what you get, and they're totally free on the site. I'll leave a link below. So there's, did I show you the back of that one? No, there's like a notebook. See, yeah, when you print it two-sided, it's see-through. Yeah, so that's why. Well, and then you can't glue it down in your traveler's notebook. But anyway, I love this one. I think this is, I'm going to do this one maybe at the end of the month. And then this is the calendar. You get a piece of pattern paper, and then these little, this is actually like a dashboard. There's different sizes. There's the traveler's notebook, personal, and A5 if I'm not mistaken. That's the other half of the thing. And then you get some things to cut out as well. And I think in the A5 you get a bookmark as well, and they have the holes marked, so that's really fun. So go check those out. But now let's get into decorating these pages. So I've got a bit of a head start. I've stuck down all the printables and I put in some washi along the side because I put it in a lined insert from Carpe Diem, and so the lines were showing, so I just added a bit of washi to cover that up. And then I'm putting some number stickers over the numbers in the calendar, and then I'm flipping through. This is like a year-long book with different holidays and things that would happen during a month. So Mother's Day is in June here in Luxembourg, so I'm putting Mother's Day in, and I keep having to erase. I put everything down in pencil so that I know what's up, what's coming, and then I go to my big calendar and write everything in pencil, and then I can go through and add stickers and things that go with whatever's happening on that day. So there's other things in this book as well. There's like that's a doctor's appointment, and there's different appointments and different things like when you're clean, or I think there might be a recycling one, I'm not sure. Birthdays, there's quite a few birthday parties and birthdays this month. And then of course Mother's Day, so I put a sticker in for that one as well. This book is fantastic. I love it. I wish I could put a tab on every page, but I can't because, well, that would be silly. Because why mark every page as important? But anyway, what is really cool, you'll see in a second, is you can layer anything on these stickers because I'll show you in a second what happened. So I put a heart there, and then I put a few things on this one as well. But you'd think that with the wear and tear that those stickers that you've layered on would fall off, right? But there are clear tab stickers. They're covers to these labels, these tabs, to sort of cover and protect. You can sort of see them on the right there. And I'm going to put that over top of the June label tab in a second. I'm putting in like 18 and some little hearts and some other little stickers. There's all kinds of little decorative stickers mixed in these sticker tablets besides just the functional ones. So they're really fun to doll things up and make things really pretty. And I love these flags, they're really fun. It's neat because they've got sort of either appointment or whatever the activity is written at the top, and then the bottom is blank, so you can write in whatever you have going on that day, and it just makes it a little bit prettier than just writing it in the square. There's lots of great stickers and icons and things in these books, and it's really easy to find a sticker that goes with whatever you're doing. So what I have going on in the month of June, there's a lot of end of school exams and things. So I'm putting in those. There's also a couple, those two I just put in are library books. There's also, we have a library bus that comes. So what I did was put a bus and the book. So for me, I know that that's not just the regular library at school, that's actually the bus that comes to town. And then again, my son is going away on a trip, so I put a end of school term trip, so I put a litoo bus in for that. And then I did another combo because they've got music, but it's not really that common to have music exams, right? So no one's going to make a sticker for music exams. So what I did was I paired the music note with a pencil. I think there's 3 of my kids have their music exam, and so I just put that combination together, and for me, I'll know that that's when my kids have their exam. There are lots of decorative stickers as well. Not every sticker that you put in your planner has to be functional. Especially for me, I actually prefer the decorative than the functional, so there's a lot of flags and things and just words and phrases that don't have a specific meaning, like yay or now or do it or plan. So those can be decorations in the spread without them having an actual purpose, an actual planning purpose. And that's exactly what I'm going to do at the top. I'm just pulling out different flags and things that I can sort of layer at the top to make a bit of a decoration. So you can see I'm putting them in under and over and sort of arranging all the different flags so that they make kind of a banner at the top of the page. It's a bit of fiddling and whatnot to make it look good, but I always have fun with the little flags. And then I will spread out, like you see, I put hearts and things here to make as if they're sort of floating around the flag, and I'll layer them on and put them sort of just close to, but not touching. And yeah, I don't know, it's one of my favorite things to do. I love layers, I love clusters, so yeah, it's a lot of fun. So I'm doing the same thing, sort of a miniature version down on the bottom right hand corner of the page. And you don't have to have stickers exactly the way they are in the book. Here I put the circle sticker off the edge of the page, and I just trimmed it so that it just looks a bit more fun. And then since June starts on a Friday, I just filled in the rest of that week that doesn't have any numbers with a bit of washi, just to sort of fill in that gap, so it's not a big there's not a big hole in the middle. And then I'm going to decorate both the June 2018 at the top and then the little washi strip. And these half circles are good. You don't have to cut off the edge of the circle like I did down below, but you can add them as if they're poking out of things or from the top of pages or sides of pages. They're a lot of fun. And I love layering these stickers because there's so many different sizes and shapes that they really lend well to layering in clusters and all that fun stuff, which I absolutely adore. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for that page. So now we're going to work on I guess it's like a June sum up page. I have the tab already done. I put the 18 and the hearts and things. So I thought that it would be fun to just put these little check stickers already sort of as the check boxes. They just look prettier. I know that if I was to check each box off, I'd make a mess of it. And I'm left-handed, so I would actually check them the other way, but that's okay. They're in there, they're pretty. We'll leave it at that. So next up, I'm checking in the calendar who has a birthday, how many birthdays there are in the month of June, because I don't want to leave anyone out. So there are 4, so I've got 4 little birthday hats lined up under the birthday tab. And then I'm flipping through the stickers again. Look how many there are. There's so many, and they're all so fun. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you my semi-successful attempt at putting the chevron. Now, I honestly think that this worked better than if I was to take them off one by one and add them on. You see what I did? I took out just half of the sticker and then folded back the backing and then stuck them on. See, it didn't work that great, but then they were still spaced out and it was still easier to get them lined up than if I had done it one by one. I think what I should have done was maybe put it on a piece of plastic backing first, or I don't know. I'm going to try it again because I think if I can get it down, I think I can get it to work, and it would be a lot easier. It would be a lot more less stressful. But now that I'm looking at it, it does look a bit crooked, but that's okay. It's on there. It looks half decent. Okay, so now I'm just decorating the page a little bit with some layers and some clusters and having a little fun. And yeah, this is my favorite part, all the little added bits. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, because that tells me whether you like these kind of videos or not. Leave a comment and tell me what you like best. And stay tuned for more videos from me and Carpe Diem. Have a great day and happy planning.